Okay friends, let's take a very simple example. In this example, in this Android application, I have a very simple login screen. There is an activity underscore main.xml, and we know activity underscore main.xml, if you want to create a layout, it should be inside layout folder. You can see here in this example, we have a lot of different types of resources. For example, if you open the drawable, in drawable you have IC underscore launcher underscore background, that is an XML file. Okay, that is written in XML. A drawable image that is written in XML. If you open the MIP, you will have a default launcher icons with a different density: HDPI, MDPI, XSDPI, XXDPI. So I will explain the densities in later on. And in values, you will have a different types of colors, strings, styles. Now let me come back to activity underscore main.xml. So in this layout, you can see we have two edit text and one button. And we know if you want to use these component in if you want to perform some kind of events with these component, you need to create all this object inside main activity. Why? Because in main activity we have a set content view that is r.layout.activity underscore main. So this is how you can bind your resource layout, this XML resource, in your Java class by calling this method, that is the set content view. And we know this is something like r dot something, a Java class has been generated, that is auto generated by AAPT. Now if you come back, you can access these resources by using their IDs. These are the IDs, as you can see: edit text username for the first edit text. For the password, we are having edit text password. For the button, you are having the button ID. So here in this resource, as I told you, a R.java, that is auto-generated file generated by AAPT by the build tool, okay, where you can find this file and how exactly this file look like. Now if you go here in this example, in the background here, you can see the background of this particular layout is orange. So I use here the background attribute, and at the red color, it's like a color data type that I'm going to use here with this variable. And the color is defined here in this colors.xml, like this one. You can see out here color.orange, and this is the, you can say the HTML hash code that is written over here. The same thing if you go with for some other, for example, the button, you can see out here in the button we have a background, and at the red color cream. So you can see out here this color cream is defined here. So resource file, here you can create a various type of resources. If you open this string.xml, you will have here the app name as a variable with a string resource, and the name of this app is R.java demo. Now it is defined here in the manifest. You can see out here in manifest, this is the label, okay, we are using as an application for an application. So add the string app name, and app name is defined here. So this is very simple, my friend. Not only you can create any number of strings. If you want to use an array, you can go with the other type of resources like a string array. Dimensions can also be defined. So I will explain this later on, but quickly let's have a look at the R.java, how it look like. So you can open R.java by going to the project, okay, and from here open your app, and then go to build, and then go to generated, and then open resource, okay, and open R, and then open debug, okay, and open your package like this, and this is R.java. Now you can see out here in R.java a lot of code has been written that is auto generated by the APPT, but this file also contain your resources. So here you can see we have a drawable, layout, MIP, MAP. So if you fold this code by using a shortcut key, Shift Command minus or Shift Control minus in Windows, Shift command is used in the Mac. So you can see out here a lot of inner classes has been generated. So if you look here, if you want to use a drawable, so you can see public static final class drawable, okay. You can access this drawable by using like this res for R, and then drawable like this. You can access this object directly because this is static. And we know inside drawable we are having IC underscore launcher. So if you open this drawable and if you search for IC underscore launcher, you will find out here. IC underscore launcher underscore background, IC underscore launcher underscore foreground. Now that's why this is how you can use these resources. Your resources, you can access these resources by using the reference addresses. For example, if you want to use activity underscore XML, it's very simple. We know this is a drawable, and if you look out here for the layout, there is a layout inner class available. So you can access this layout by using r.layout because this is static, and inside layout you will have an activity underscore main that is auto-generated with a reference address. So all this is written an integer that refer to this reference address. Similarly, if you want to use any of this values inside your Java code, for example, I want to use the color. So you can see out here the color inner class has been created, and inside the color we are having these variable. For example, if I want to use the color cream, I can access this by using r.color, and if you scroll it, color cream. So this is the reference address available. So this is how you can use R.java. So that's why when you create an application, if you want to set a layout as an output, we call this method setContentView. And here you can see r.layout.activity underscore main, which is primarily defined here in R.java. That is r.layout.activity underscore main. So it's so simple. Later on, we will learn how you can create the IDs for the different UI component, and it's very easy. We have done this before, and now I hope you understand what exactly the meaning of R.java. It is a resource which plays a very, very important role when you create a node application. So thanks for watching it. Hope you enjoy this session.